Are you busy? I mean, if you, I mean,
No, this is a perfectly good time, Kunal. What's your full name, Kunal?
my name is Kunal Dhawan.
Kunal Dhawan. Hi. Tell me.
So this is regarding the connection that you are holding right now.
Right.
Yourself. And I got information that you're facing some problem of platinum and you want to have the issue on that also. And you want to is not contactable.
Right.
Okay. So for that, I just want to call out the stuff. Right.
Yeah. You want me to tell you my problems again, or are you completely aware of them?
Tell me the platinum thing. Okay, and one-to-one, that is, if you are not able to make calls on that, that would be done today itself. I'll make sure that it would not happen again. Alright. So give us some time for at least for today.
Okay.
For one-to-one, and please tell me about this thing. Another one.
Okay. One-to-one issue. Let me recap it for you. When a prepaid customer of Airtel calls up one-to-one, he ultimately lands up reaching an IVR tone which says ये number मौजूद नहीं है. It's not just a problem for me, it's for everyone. That which you are saying will get resolved later today. That's great. Thank you so much. When it gets done, please send me a confirmation so I can tell the rest of the world as well.
No problem, sir. Sir, let me know that have you sent any email to us?
Yes, I have. I have sent you an email on 25th of March.
On which ID, sir?
Airtel presence at airtel.in.
Alright, Mr. Satyava.
This was also marked to two people from your Punjab circle
Okay.
and whom I have been in touch with before,
Mm-hmm.
and it's marked to them. As far as the other platinum issue is concerned, I was at one point in time a platinum customer of Airtel and a very proud customer, which I still am.
Alright.
However, there was a signal issue at my house. I got it escalated to the Chief Finance Officer of Airtel Punjab. In 24 hours, the issue got resolved. 1 month later, it went back to the same thing. The moment I step into my bedroom from my veranda, the call gets disconnected. So to take every Airtel call, I have to go out in the veranda.
Okay.
To the effect that what this has started doing is that I've started not using my Airtel number and I've started using my landline number instead.
Okay.
Okay, which obviously will reduce my billing. And if my billing goes down below certain norms that you have said, then I get out of the platinum category. And when I get out of the platinum category, then I go through one-to-one. And when I go through one-to-one, then I reach a number which does not exist. So here is my request.
Okay.
I am a documentary filmmaker and I pick up issues which concern the common man of India. Can you please, as a special request, put one of my numbers on solitaire for a lifetime, irrespective of what the billing is? Because the efforts that I am putting in are actually helping you guys out to fix your systems and processes. That's my request. To fulfill it or to meet it or not meet it is entirely up to you. But be very sure that after going through all the pains last night of posting comments on your Facebook page of Airtel Presence, I posted up 10 different points of suggestions and questions. That entire post has been deleted. And there was not one word of profanity, Kunal, in that. If that is the way Airtel will respond to me, then I'm not a happy man and neither is the rest of the country. Because if the customer is not treated like a king, just like Sunil Bharti Mittal says in the posters put up in your offices, then it's not a good sign. So I completely leave it.
Mr. Satyava, actually, the thing is, most of the customers are complaining about this. It might be a technical error because.
I'm sorry, complaining about what, Kunal?
Complaining about this deletion, as you were saying.
I don't think it's a. I'm sorry to inform you, Kunal. I don't think it's a technical error. I am on FB as well. I do have a page called The Such Show. There is none of my posts which is getting deleted. How come posts of Airtel Presence are getting deleted? Well, that's one. Take the other one. I posted a comment on Airtel Present's YouTube link on the channel, on the YouTube channel itself.
Okay.
And last night, yeah. And I can give you timings if you want. I have the evidence of sorts. You know, that's how I am. And in about 30 minutes, my comment is missing. So it is not happening only on FB, it is happening on YouTube as well. And I'm very, very sure that there is someone out there who, either to save his skin or his job, is deleting comments which might reflect poorly in his or her CSAT surveys, if you know what I mean.
Alright. Mr. Sachdeva, let me check once again because I got this information from two more customers, right?
Right.
Regarding this decision, let me check once again that what is the problem going on.
Right.
With this. And we'll get this thing done. Right. Give us some time. And regarding this issue, this about the network that you are facing right now.
Yeah.
So let me check how fast we can get all the things.
Right.
Okay. And that's all, Mr. Sachdeva, I would like.
Before I hang up the thank you so much. And before I hang up the call, Kunal, let me inform you this call is being recorded for quality and training purposes, and also to put up in the public domain.
No problem.
All
No
right.
problem.
Great,
Mr.
great.
Sachdeva.
I'm glad that someone is taking the responsibility of this. This is very, very good, Kunal. I like it.
Yeah, Mr. Sachdeva. And you said you have sent a mail on 25th.
That's correct.
Mm-hmm.
Do you
You
want?
mentioned each and everything on that mail that regarding your complaint that you're facing.
If you can, Kunal, if you can give me your personal email ID, I'll forward it to you in the next 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. You have sent this mail on Airtel Presence. I'm taking care of this Airtel Presence part.
Right.
Just check out with whom you have had a word with also.
The subject of the mail is Airtel. Are you listening?
Mm-hmm.
The time of the mail is 10:46 a.m. and it says Namaste, sending you this for system improvement, not as a complaint. Click on the yellow highlighted link for feedback. Because my interactions with you in the past have been great, and I believe you can get this fixed. As Sunil Mittal says, think out of the box, and customer is king. A response only on email or as a comment on the website will be appreciated, or on FB, which where I've also posted this link. That's the content of the email. It also has my cell phone number.
ठीक है, Mr. Sachdeva, मैं check कर लेता हूँ.
ठीक है, कुणाल. Perfect.
Then I'll get back to you. Just what you have.
ठीक है.
We are here to help you, Mr. Sachdeva. If this
I
happens-
completely believe that, and I've always maintained that Airtel is one company that I'm very proud to be a brand ambassador for. Sometimes things get into blind alleys, but that's not because the systems are not as strong. It's because the people who are in the system sometimes turn out to be blackfish, and we need to weed those people out now.
Sure, Mr. Sachdeva. Let me check.
Yeah.
Get back to you.
Thank you so much, Kunal. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Last question, Mr. Sachdeva. It is not regarding your complaint.
Right.
You said that you are a film documentary filmmaker.
That is correct. I am a documentary filmmaker, Kunal.
All right. And what kind of, if you don't mind, can I ask?
What kind of?
Documentary films you make?
Visit www.puneetsachdeva.com, Puneet with a double E. Go to the movies section. There are short films about from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. And most of my films are either on social awareness or correction, which could be in the government domain. And some of my films are also made to help people and corporates use these films in their training classes to show their people this is what the customer goes through. And these films are then used to improve customer service and to sensitize agents, etc. That please be aware of this is what a customer can also be like.
Okay. Sure, that is, I'll check it out. And you have said that www.puneet, same as Satme Sachdeva.
That is correct. Yes, that is correct.
I'll check it out and I'll get back to you.
Very well, Kunal. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thanks.
Bye. Thank you for watching The Sach Show.